Hey guys, welcome back to the series of HTML programming. In the previous video, we have learned about the images, and in this video, we will learn about the tables in HTML. So let's get started. Alright, we mostly use tables to show the data or any information on a website. So, inside the body tag, here we are going to create a table tag that is less than table greater than and less than slash table greater than. And inside the table tag, here we have something called rows and columns. So inside a table, we want a row, so that will be the tr tag. So that says less than tr greater than and less than slash tr greater than. So the tr means the table row. And in this table row, we will actually have the headers for the tables in the first row, right? So that will be less than th greater than and less than slash th greater than. That means the table heading. So the first heading I'll give is the name. So that will be in between these tags. And the second heading is less than th greater than. So that will be email. And I'll close this heading. And the third heading will be less than th greater than age and less than slash th greater than. All these headings will be in a row. And in the next row, that means I need to have another tr tag to be opened and closed. So less than tr greater than and less than slash tr greater than. So here in this tr tag, I need to have the data of that heading which we have created. So the first row will be less than td greater than and less than slash td greater than, which means the table data. And in this I'll say my name, which is codwithKrish. And then for the second one, which is email, so I'll create the table data. So less than td greater than and my email id codewithkrish@gmail.com and less than slash td greater than, and then the age, that will be less than td greater than 21 and less than slash td greater than. So I have given the first row of data. Let me create the another one. So less than tr greater than and less than slash tr greater than, and in this row the first table data will be less than td of name will be random, and then the email also will be the random one, so that will be random@gmail.com, and then the age, that will be less than td greater than 25 and less than slash td greater than. So we have completed creating the table. So save this file and see the output. As you can see, we got the data in tabular format. But it's not good to see, right? So in the table tag, I'll add the attribute in style. That is, style is equal to, in the inverted commas, that will be width colon 100% and a semicolon at the last. And if you see the output now, the table got expanded. And now, if you want the margins in between the data, I'll say border, which is the separate attribute. So in the table tag, I'll say border is equal to 1 pixel. And now let's see the output. So I got the lines in between the data. And now if you have two email addresses you want to add for a single column, so how would you do that? So if I create another td here, it will create a new extra column. But actually we are not thinking of it. So for that we have an option called call span. So in the heading tag, I'll say call span is equal to 2, because we want to give two email IDs for the single person. The single column. So I'll add the TDs for emails. Let me add them and come back. So let's see the output now. And we got two email IDs under single column which we have created. And similarly we have row span too. For that example, I'll remove this stuff and I'll create a new table again. So less than table space style is equal to, in the inverted commas, width colon 100%, and the border will be 1 pixel, and the first row that will be less than tr greater than and less than slash tr greater than. So here I'll have the heading in the vertical way. Remember, this is vertical way. That means in a row we will have a heading, and next to that heading I'll have the value. So let me create it. Less than th greater than a name and less than slash th greater than. So this will be the heading, and next to that I need the value. So that will be less than td greater than code with Krish and less than slash td greater than. And now in the another row I need the email IDs. So I need to create the row that will be less than tr greater than and less than slash tr greater than, and in this the heading will be less than th greater than the email and less than slash th greater than. So I have two email IDs now. So here in the heading I'll say row span is equal to 2, and now the data will be less than td greater than abc@gmail.com, and I'll close this td, and for the another one I'll create a new row. So that will be less than tr greater than and less than slash tr greater than, and in this I'll say less than td greater than def@gmail.com and close this td. And if you see the output, so here I got the two email IDs in the same column under this heading, but in the different rows. So that's how we use the row span and the call span. You can also give some small headings to the table to say what the table is about. So that will be done with the caption tag. So I'll say less than caption greater than, and I'll say it as details, and I'll close this caption tag with a slash. That will be less than slash caption greater than. And one thing you should remember is the caption tag should be given immediately after the tag is opened. So that's about the tables, and if you see the output of this, so I got these details about the table. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.